Alright, my name is Benjamin Rader, and this is the code for problem 2.1. Got to pull up right here, paying off debt in a year. So we're still starting off with our balance, our initial balance of 5,000. Minimum monthly payment 0.02, well 2%. We were given 2%, so 0.02. Annual interest rate is 0.18. So what I've done is I've got a while loop here, and I have the in variable set or initialized at 0. So it's going to say while m is less than 12, and that's going to give us 12 iterations for each month. So, and right here it's going to actually increment here. So we'll say we will increment 12 times while m is less than 12. That's at 0. So we have our monthly interest rate. We're calculating our monthly interest rate, and that is equal to the annual interest rate, which is right here, divided by 12 per month. So we've got our minimum monthly payment is equal to our payment rate times the actual balance that we have times our 5,000 here. And so that's how we calculate our just payment per month. But then we have to figure out how much unpaid we still owe, like how much we still owe. So that's what this is going to be. Our monthly unpaid balance is equal to our balance. So for the first iteration, it would be 5,000 minus the monthly payment that we had calculated here. And that's going to do that every 12 times until we get all the way down to nothing. Nothing's left. So then we're going to set our balance. So we're using that balance, and our balance is constantly changing. So now our balance is equal to the minimum monthly unpaid balance, or not minimum, the monthly unpaid balance plus the interest rate times unpaid balance. So, and it took me a little bit to figure out this calculation here. I know you give us a lot of it down here, but I know some of this is a little wonky, like previous balance. I didn't bother using previous balance, I just used balance. I set it, our balance is constantly changing. So instead of having a different balance variable, previous balance, I just try to use one balance variable instead of two. Make things a little easier on my part, and I guess for you to grade as well. So then, yeah, we're just going to print remaining balance, and this right here just says, hey, we're going to print to, not sure what that was. Hey, we're going to print to 2 decimal places. So let's go and run it. There we go. We got 4,691 and 11 cents. Yeah, so that should be our outcome here. I noticed that you got something a little different here. I didn't get that, but I ran the calculations, like what it would actually be if it wasn't through my program, and this is the number that I got, so I'm not 100% sure if I'm wrong or if this is just like a sample code, because I wasn't really sure what this is for either. But yeah, so there is our code for coding problem 2.1. On to 2.2.